INMB stock analysis and INMB stock prediction. What I'm doing in this brief and short 1-minute video is showing you my exact play. Look, I'm the only person in this space who's done this for 42,000 videos, and I'm not even just saying this just to brag. I mean, yes, it is for bragging, but I've actually done this. I'm showing you the exact proof and rules, and it's all on my YouTube channel as well, document. No one else done this amount of freaking volume. For me, INMB, nothing but a bearish market, right? And again, I'm not being pessimistic, it's like literally the truth. Unless there is some crazy happening, some crazy catalyst or some crazy breaks, this could shift, but now, nah, it's not it. Zooming out. Talked about this time and time again, bro, but there is far better tickers to look at. I mean, I'm saying this because a lot of people are watching this, and I'm just giving my 2 cents. That's how I would play this. Now, in trading, there's 2 games. There's getting inside the trade game, there's managing the trade game. Both of those plays I've refined over 5 years, and I figured out what's printing me the most. If you want to learn and shortcut that, click the first link in the description. 1,200 people have gotten it, and yeah.